Welcome back to Huyssen channel. Introducing our state-of-the-art onboard charger, designed to meet the charging needs of a wide range of electric vehicles. The 20kw Obc battery charger is a high-power electric vehicle charging equipment that can convert the AC voltage of the charging station into DC voltage to provide fast and efficient charging for electric vehicles. Its advantages include the use of advanced resonance frequency modulation technology to ensure high efficiency, high power, small size, and reliable operation. The charging method adopts automatic conversion between constant power and constant voltage, which effectively saves charging time. In addition, it adopts COMPATIBILITY 2.0 communication protocol. It has strong compatibility and can adapt to different types and capacities of batteries, as well as different charging interface standards. Features: advanced technology, using resonant frequency modulation technology to ensure high efficiency, high power, small size, and reliable operation. Fast charging, adopts automatic conversion between constant power and constant voltage, which effectively saves charging time and improves charging efficiency. Intelligent function, it adopts COMPATIBILITY 2.0 communication protocol and has intelligent charging function, providing users with a convenient charging experience. Protection function, it has functions such as input over voltage/under voltage, input phase loss, output over current, output over voltage, output short circuit, over temperature, and output anti-reverse connection protection. Compatibility, with an ultra-wide output voltage range of 50-1000 V, suitable for future high-voltage electric vehicles. Suitable for DC chargers of different power levels, it can meet the fast charging needs of various vehicle models such as electric passenger cars, buses, logistics vehicles, and engineering vehicles. Our 20 kilowatts charger, a charging solution suitable for various application scenarios, which can meet the charging needs of different users and vehicles and suitable for various application scenarios such as home, commercial, and public charging stations. If you need more information or have any questions, please contact us.